Every workplace has that moment. The moment when you realize your CV isn't doing justice to your talents. You know you're capable. You know you've achieved things. But somehow the document that's supposed to represent you just feels flat. Today's episode starts with Ade, who's been feeling exactly that sort of frustration. He's smart, he's hardworking, and he's even experienced. But his CV, not giving what it needs to give, okay? So he sits down with doctor, the calm voice of reasoning, to figure out what's going wrong. But more importantly, how does Ade fix it? So here is the conversation. So Ade goes, "Doctor, I need your help. I've been trying to update my CV for weeks, and honestly, it's stressing me out. Every time I look at it, it feels boring, like I'm just linking different tasks and not actually showing who I am or what I've done. I know I have achieved a lot of things in my career, but when I try to write them down, they suddenly feel small. Everyone keeps saying, make your CV compelling, but nobody has explained to me what that actually means. I want to write the best I can, but I also do not want to exaggerate. And then I also do not want to undersell myself. So I'm really stuck and it's starting to affect my confidence." Our doctor says, "Ade, just breathe. When you're feeling this way, it's absolutely normal. Most professionals struggle with writing about themselves. Well, not because they lack achievements, but because they don't know how to translate their experience into a powerful story. A compelling CV is not just about fancy grammar or big words. It's about clarity, it's about confidence, and it's about showing the value you bring. And trust me, Ade, you have value. So let's talk through a few things you can start doing right now to transform your CV into something that truly represents you." So number one, Ade, stop listing tasks. Start showing impact. Most CVs, they read like job descriptions, but recruiters already know what the job involves. Okay? What they want to know is, what changed because you were there? Instead of handled customer inquiries, could you change that to resolved customer issues with a 95% satisfaction rate? Impact is what makes your CV stand out. The second thought will be, add numbers. They make you sound like your achievements are real, okay? Numbers catch attention. They make your work measurable. You don't need huge metrics, all right? Even supported a team of 6, reduced delays by 10%, or processed 50 plus requests weekly shows scale. If you can count it, please include it. The third thing I will tell you is, use the STAR method to tell mini stories. STAR, S-T-A-R, situation, task, action, results. It helps you turn your experience into short, powerful stories. For example, faced with a backlog of 200 emails, situation. I reorganized the workflow, task. I introduced a triage system, action, and cleared the backlog in 48 hours, result. Now, that's memorable. That is compelling. Number 4, start your bullet points with strong verbs. Words like led, designed, improved, implemented, coordinated, delivered. They show ownership. Avoid weak phrases like helped with, worked on. You did more than help. Let's be honest, okay? You contributed. So let your verbs reflect that. The last thought I have is, tailor your CV to the role you want. A compelling CV is not one size fits all. Look at the job description and mirror the language. If they want someone who can manage stakeholders, and you've done that, say it clearly in the tailored CV. It shows intention and increases your chances of being shortlisted. Doctor, this actually makes sense. I've been trying to sound impressive instead of just being clear. I think I've been hiding my achievements without even realizing it. And doctor says, exactly. You're not trying to impress. You're trying to communicate. And once you start writing from a place of clarity instead of pressure, your CV will finally reflect the real you. You've done good work, Ade. Now let your CV show it.